Moen offers a variety of shower heads with different styles and functionality. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a handheld shower head. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, make sure the shower is off. Gather the right tools for the job. Refer to your product's instructions for tools needed. Most installations call for an adjustable wrench, adjustable pliers, or thread seal tape. Step 2. Remove the existing shower head. Hold on to the shower arm and use an adjustable wrench or pliers to rotate the shower head counterclockwise. Then remove any thread seal tape and residue. Step 3. Attach the bracket to the shower arm. Some shower heads require thread seal tape. If it's needed, wrap the tape clockwise around the threads of the shower arm. This will help prevent leaks. Some shower heads also require washers. Refer to your product's installation instructions to determine if these items are necessary for your installation. Hold onto the shower arm and hand tighten the bracket onto it. The last step is to attach the hose. Insert the included washer into one end of the hose and thread it onto the bracket. Insert the remaining washer into the other end of the hose and thread it onto the handheld shower head. Then position the handheld shower head into the bracket. Congratulations, your job is finished. Installing a handheld shower head is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services